Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be showing you how to download the HBL mobile app, a safe and a convenient way to bank with HBL Bank Limited on your phone. So let's get started. First, open the Play Store on your phone or tablet. Here in the search bar, type in HBL Mobile. The official HBL mobile app should appear by now. Tap on the install button. Once the download is complete, tap open to launch the HBL mobile app. Note: do not download apps from untrusted sources. Always download the HBL mobile app from the official Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. And that's it. You've now successfully downloaded the HBL mobile app. In future videos, we'll explore how to use the app's feature to manage your finances on the go. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. And don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions.